Hey, what's up, plant homies? Welcome to the Plant-Based and More channel, and today we have something really special in store for you.
We are making elotes. Not just any kind of elotes, elotero style elotes, which is Mexican style. If you were one of those kids running down the street with your dollar, wait up, wait up!
That was me.
Then it's gonna remind you of those childhood memories. But we are using a special ingredient at the end, right babe? Yes,
and I have it right here for you. This is from Trader Joe's. This is the rolled corn tortilla chips, chili and lime flavored. It is just like TAKIS. If you haven't had TAKIS, it is so good.
So fire.
And this is the vegan version, guys, right here.
We're gonna crush them up, make it to like a nice taki dust, sprinkle it on the elote.
Fuego!
Alright then, let's get started.
Let's get it.
We're boiling our agua. We're gonna add our elotes. I already cleaned them, took the husk out. We're gonna plop them in there, boil them for 6 to 7 minutes. Oh snap, it's hot, guys. You know what? I brought tongs for this reason and I didn't use it. There we go. We will make it. We will make it. I'm so sorry. Oh, we're gonna make it work. Let that boil 6 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, the elote is boiling. We are going to make our mayonesa. Mayonesa. And it's soy-free and gluten-free, so for our mayonnaise, we are going to need a high-speed blender. So today, we're using our mini Blendtec blender. Going to go ahead and add our ingredients. Cashews. Some limon. Ooh. Apple cider vinegar. Ooh, I almost dropped that one. Dijon mustard. You can use regular mustard, but actually this is brown spice mustard. It's not even Dijon mustard, I forgot. Garlic. Spring onion. And side. We're gonna go ahead and blend this up. A little bit of water. Make our mayonesa. Ow, my knee. Let me see this guy. They don't have them though. Guys, I worked out hard today for this bite.
She rollerbladed today.
Rollerbladed, push-ups, sit-ups, 3 workout videos. I'm gonna have this shit.
No regrets.
Oh my god. This is better than a taki.
Let me see inside that bag right there. That right there, guys, is your childhood. That right there is heaven. Let me get that.
Oh, he went straight to. That's good. Can you see the beauty?
No regrets.
Cashews? Back to the recipe. I'm gonna put some lemon on it. Yeah. Vegan hacks.
She's been deprived, guys. Deprived from spicy chippies.
The lemon is a whole nother level, babe. Onward. Vámonos. We're gonna get back to the mayonesa. Mayonesa. I'm gonna add my water as I blend. Whoa. Hella smooth, y'all. Mayonesa at its finest. Woo! Are you ready for the taste test, though? Oh my gosh, babe!
Let me see that.
Tastes like mayonnaise?
I feel that.
Yeah?
Yep.
I love it.
I feel
It's fluffy, like mayonnaise, and yummier.
That'll be fire. Some tuna too. Some vegan tuna.
Vegan tuna, guys. Check on my elotes. I'm gonna put some mayonnaise on that baby. Elote is ready. Whew. Yummy in my tummy. Get yourself a piece of foil. If you don't have foil, use some wax paper. Grab the elote. Ooh, be careful. It's hot water. Oh yeah. Get your mayonnaise. I'm gonna put a lot because I'm excited. Then you're gonna pierce it with the kebab. Oh, I forgot the kebabs. I have to go get them. Let's get it. I might have ate another taki on my way to get the kebab sticks. We got these with our ʀᴇᴜᴅ air fryer, so they're reusable. We're gonna stick these in our corn, our elote. Ooh, nice. Now it's ready to be prepared. Like I said, put your mayonesita. Oh, I put a little more. It's okay. Okay. You know, twist it. That's how they do it on the street. We're gonna add our chili lime seasoning. This is great. You want that extra kick. Woo! Yes. It's ready to go if you wanted to eat this, but we're gonna go the extra mile with the Parmesan cheese, pepita parm. I make this like every week in a big batch. Sprinkle it on everything, huh, baby?
Yes, love. Tell them like it is.
That's how it is, baby. The magic thing. TAKIS. Alright, we gotta crush these up into little dust and then sprinkle it more like drenched on top.
Guys, she's still eating those. She just caught red-handed. Let me see. Let me see your fingers. And TAKIS fingers.
I'm not even sorry. Grab a mug, put it in a baggie, crush them up. If you have a molcajete, you're an OG, you got this. If you're like me, you gotta use the plastic baggie method. It's ready. I'm looking now heaven's door. I never sing unless I'm really happy. So I'm really happy because I'm about to sprinkle this. Oh my gosh.
Got you, babe.
Thank you, Amor.
You're welcome.
Just gonna dust it again. I think if I had put them on a flat plate and rolled it around, it would have been a better idea.
Possibly, yeah.
Instead of doing all this hoorah. Because we extra over here, we gotta do all this.
It look good to me. It look good to me.
I'll just scoop it back up, huh? Put it on here. Reuse. Ooh. I'll sweep that later.
That drip.
That drip. Vegan first bite of the beautiful elote. Oh. Mmm. 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 Hallelujah. Mm. Corn is life. Corn is for my people. My people made this. And now I get to make it. Cruelty-free. Babe, come over here and eat this.
I got corn all over, but
that's how you know it's good.
another one? Another one.
How's it going?
Oh my god. Elote is not good for a first date. If you're trying to be super clean,
Yeah.
and not get messy. But she a real one.
She a real one. She eats this through. Don't matter.
It don't matter.
Okay, y'all can leave now.
We're gonna have to go because we gotta eat this elote. So.
We can't stop biting and devouring this beautiful elote. Street style, Mexicano style. Guys, you will not regret making this.
Nope.
It will remind you of those beautiful summer nights where you were fortunate enough to have elote on your block.
Alright, plant homies, so we're hungry right now, so we're gonna finish all these elotes, and I hope you had a great time like we did, and we got a lot more recipes up our sleeves, right babe?
Yes, so make sure you follow us on our social media, subscribe to our YouTube, hit the like button and notification as well, our Instagram and TikTok too, for more bomb recipes.
Plant homies for life, we out.
We out.